Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable the mini menu when selecting text in Microsoft Edge. So if you want to enable or disable the mini menu from appearing, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the menu icon at the top right that says Settings and More. You can also tap the Alt and F key combination in order to open that up. And go down and select where it says Settings. And now on the left side, select Appearance. And now on the right side, you want to locate the context menu selections here. And underneath context menu, mini menu on text selection. Show mini menu when selecting text. If you want to toggle that on or off, that's all you have to do. And then you may need to relaunch the browser for the change to take effect. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.